Hi children, in our previous session we have discussed about division. We have done some problems related with division of numbers. Isn't it? How can we divide something equally among some groups? That's what we have done. Some exercise, some questions and also exercise questions we have done. Page number 36 problems we have already solved. Now in this session let us see how can we perform division in some other method. Okay, to do division in some another method. For that I have written a question here on the board. You can see some questions I have written here. So here you can read the question. If 168 rupees is divided among 8, how much would each get? So you all of you know what we have to do to solve this problem, isn't it? So if 168 rupees is divided among 8, so total amount with me is 168 to divide among 8. So how much will each one get? So to find the amount each one will get, we have to divide 168 by 8, right? We have to divide 168 by 8. For that, first I will write 168 equal to 100 plus. I divided this as 100 and again 60 and 8. I wrote this 168 as 100, 60 and 8. 100 plus 60 plus 8. Now, let us divide. Instead of dividing 168 together, let us divide 108 with 8 first. Divide 100 with 8. Okay. So we will get how many hundreds, how many 8s are there in 100? Yes, it has 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are, you all know the table, isn't it? Multiplication table of 8. So 12 8s are 96. So 12 8s make 96. But here we have 100. So from 100, if I divide this among 8 children, each child will get 12 rupees. 12 rupees each. Now only 4 rupees left with me. That 4 I cannot give one each to 8 children. Isn't it? So what I will do is, that 4 rupees I will take along with the 60. Okay. So 100 from 100, whichever remaining 4 rupees remains. After dividing equally among 8 children, each got 12 rupees. So the remaining 4 I will add with the 6. That is, then I will get here 60 and 4. So I have to divide this 64 among 8 children. 64 among 8 children. So again recite the table of 8. 8s are 64. I got 8 here. Now nothing remains. 8 8s are 64. Now nothing remains in it. Now 8 is here. Then 8 divided by 8. So how much? 1. Now this 100, 60 and 8 all together make 168. So we divided 100 and then we divided 64 divided 8. All together make 168. So to get the answer, if we divide 168 by 8, we have to add all these together. So 12 and 8, 20, 20 and 1, 21 is the answer. So we will get 168 divided by 8 equal to 21. So each will get 21 rupees. So if 168 rupees is divided among 8, each will get 21 rupees. 21 rupees. This is how the another method of doing division. Okay. So let us solve one more problem, children. So here let us solve next question. Here again I have written one more question. If 175 pens are packed into 7 packets, how many pens would each packet have? Again, total number of pens how much? 175. So, how many packets are there? 7 packets. Okay. So, total number of pens 175, 7 packets. So, how many pens will be there in each packet? That is what we have to solve. For that, again we have to divide 175 by 7. So, first we will again in the previous case as in the previous question, we will write 175 as 100 plus 70 plus 5. 100 plus 70 plus 5. First divide by 100 by 7. So how much? 14 sevens are 98. Okay. 14 sevens are 98. After 98 to get 100, how many left? 2. 2 left. 100. From 100, 98 we take, isn't it? We took 98. And after that 2 remains. That 2 we have to add with this 70. So 70 and 2, 72 divided by 7. So 72 divided by 7, how much? 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70, isn't it? So 2 only remains. That we cannot give for 7 packets, isn't it? Yeah, we cannot distribute this 2 into 7 packets. So what we will do? That remaining 2 we will take to the other group, that is 5. Along with 5, 5 and 2, 7. So 7 divided by 7 equal to 1. Now what I told to do? Yes, we have to add all this. 14 plus 10, 24 and 1, 25. So we got the answer as 25. So we can write 175 divided by 7 equals 25. So you have to, here you have to remember when we divide it under 100, 70 and 5. Divide 100 first with 7. Then 70 divided by 7. So each time we may not be able to divide exactly. Then what we have to do? The remaining we have to carry on and add to the next group. Okay, so here 70 and 4. Here 2 remains, 72. After that only we have to divide the next number. And then again, here what may not be divided exactly, may not possible to divide exactly, then remaining we have to carry on to the other and add to the other. So 5 and 2, 7. 7 divided by 7. So 25. So this is how each packet will have 25 pens. So 25 pens will be there in each packet. This is second question. I hope you understood it. And let us go to the third question now. Hi children, here is the third question. 189 notebooks are to be divided among some children so that each get 9 books. How many children are there? So same for total number of notebook 189. 9 children, 9 books. One should get 9 books. Then how many children are there? That is the question. Okay. So let us solve it. Again we have to, you all know, we have to divide it by 9. So 189 equal to 100 plus 80 plus 9. Isn't it? So first divide the 100 by 9. 11 nines are 99. So 11 times. 1 remains. Only 1 remains. That 1 along with 8. 80 and 1. 80 and 1. 81 divided by 9 again. in 81. 9 nines are 81. Now nothing remains. 9 nines are 81. Nothing remains. So next nothing to add with this 9. So 9 divided by 9 we can write, that is 1. Now what we have to do? To add all this. 11 and 9, 20. 20 and 1, 21. So 21 is the answer. So we now understood that 189 divided by 9 we got 21. So 21 children are there. So 21 children are there. Hope all of you understood this method, children. And now let us move to the next session. And I will today this much only, children, and we will continue in the next session. Before that, one more question is there in the exercise. The fourth question that I am giving you as homework. You have to do it and explain to me and show it to me. Okay, so you have to do the fourth question as homework, and these three you have to write in your notebook, and the fourth one I am giving you as homework. You have to solve it. And today this much only, children, and we will continue in the next session. Till then, bye.